Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Renu Sharma. So today I'm not going to talk about any immigration program, PNP or CRS point. Only thing I'm going to talk about कि जब आप यहाँ as a new immigrant आते हैं, how actually you can save lot of money and जब आप यहाँ settle हो जाते हैं, क्या आपका यहाँ पे lifestyle होता है. So based upon my personal experience, उसे शुरू करते हैं. Alright, so first step. If you have a family, of course, तो आपको accommodation ढूंढनी है. तो उसके लिए
Hi.
Alright. So उसके लिए it will cost you in between $1,000 to maybe $2,000 depending upon आप कहाँ पर घर ले रहे हैं. If you are in Calgary, of course, it may cost you less compared to Toronto. And if you are going to look for a place downtown की तरफ, वो ज़्यादा expensive होगी compared to within area. Like अगर मैं कैलगरी की बात करूँ तो साउथ वेस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट और नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आपको कंपेरेटिवली कम मिल जाएगा. एंड अगर हम बात करें टोरंटो की तरफ तो ब्रैम्पटन, मिसिसागा, इन जगहों पे आपको कंपेरेटिवली डाउनटाउन के कम मिलेगा. So now let's talk about the utilities. So once you have an accommodation, of course, the second thing would be utilities. So utilities actually varies from provinces to provinces. अगर हम कैलगरी की बात करें, it will cost you in between $300 to $400 per month. And अगर टोरंटो की बात करें, it may go up to $500. Again, depending upon the location और area coverage जहाँ पर आप रह रहे हैं. And utilities would actually include
Gas, electricity, heating and cooling, plus garbage.
Excellent. So as Gitali has mentioned, that is would include heating, cooling, gas, garbage and electricity. So straight away you can save up to $500 if you are going to get an accommodation inclusive of utilities. So that's one saving. Now let's move on to transportation. So next हमारा टॉपिक आता है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. जो कनाडा में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है बहुत ही ऑर्गेनाइज है. अगर बसेस का टाइम अगर 7 o'clock है तो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट कि आप वहाँ पर 7 o'clock तक पहुँच जाएं ताकि आप बस को कैच कर सकें. अगर हम कैलगरी की बात करें या टोरंटो की बात करें तो बस रूट जो होते हैं वो थोड़े लंबे होते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आपने एक बस पकड़ी और आप दूसरी जगह चले गए, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आपने कहाँ जाना है. सो यूजुअली आपको तीन बसेस भी पकड़नी पड़ सकती हैं. समटाइम्स यू ऑल्सो हैव टू गेट ट्रेन्स. सो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की मैं बात करती हूँ. उससे पहले जस्ट लास्ट दीज लिटिल किड्स. सो Vitali, so do you want to travel by car or bus?
I prefer a car. It's more comfortable.
Okay, how about you, Pavit?
I will prefer car.
Why?
Because the buses fuel finish, because lots of passengers would be in it, and then it would go places, then backwards, frontwards, backwards, frontwards, that way the fuel would be finished.
Okay. And how about you, Pavak?
I like cars.
You like car? For these crazy
we can
podcasts.
drive and we sit in car and drive and his gas not finished.
Okay, oh, it gets
And the cars have special horns that only we can beep like this. And like this, beep beep.
All right.
And like this, beep 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 beep.
Okay. Now, so transportation way, if you are going to buy a car, of course, that would be an extra expense because you have to pay a cost, and on top of it, you have to pay for the car insurance, and then of course there would be other expenses like wear and tear. So अगर हम transportation by bus की बात करें, so it may cost you approximately like $109 like an adult pass that goes for a month's time, and it would cost you $79 for a child above the age of 5 in Calgary. Toronto maybe it would approximately $150 pass system is there on a monthly basis, so you can always check the information in my description box. Now let's move on to another topic. So next expense would be childcare expenses. Now if you have small kids, of course they're going to school. There would be before school and after school daycares. You can always put them, and they usually charge in between $25 to $30, per day basis. So you can always check from respective schools. However, if you go with a daycare, like a proper daycare, it may varies from provinces to provinces. Now, if you compare with Calgary, it may cost you in between $1,000 to maybe $1,500 or maybe $1,800, depending upon the area. Like I remember there's this case in Southwest, it will cost you approximately $1,700 per month, and if you go towards the Northeast, it may cost you $1,100 per month. So that again depends upon the area to area. If you go towards Toronto side, it may cost you a little high. If you're going towards downtown, that may cost you like maybe $1,800 per month, and if you're going towards other cities like maybe Brampton or Mississauga, it may cost you between $1,200 to $1,500 per month. Also, you will be eligible for childcare benefits. It again depends upon provinces to provinces. I'm going to send the information in the description box below. So depends upon the child, like the age of a child also. Now let's ask Gidali's experience. Do you want to go to daycare?
No.
Why?
I don't want to go to daycare because I want to stay close to my family, and very easily I can get sick, and I hate being sick.
Oh.
Sitting
Yeah,
in
so
bed
that's individual experience. In my case, I did not send any of my kids, and I'm working from home, so that way it's all sorted. So now let's move on to another topic, that is groceries. If you have a family with kids, of course, grocery is a adding expense. Usually it costs in between $400 to maybe $1,500 per month, but depending upon the number of family members you have. All right, so there are various grocery chains like Walmart, Superstore, and then there are a lot of Indian stores. You can always do shopping from No Frills, like the pricing wise it's little less expensive. Now let's talk about which one is your favorite store?
My favorite store is Toys R Us because it's filled of toys, and whenever we go, we find something new toys and new toys.
How
and
about
new
you,
toys.
Bhavesh?
Toys R Us.
Toys R Us. And which one is your favorite?
Lots of toys. He always good toys.
Yeah, and what do you like the most about Toys R Us?
Toys R Us.
Why do you want to go to Toys R Us?
I like because in it.
All right. So that's all for the groceries. Now let's move on to another topic. So our last but not the least expense is internet. So that would include mobile connection and your TV. So this will cost you in between $120 to $180 per month in Calgary. And if you compare with Toronto, it will go approximately $150 to $220 per month. Now it also depends upon the usage. Like in my case, I'm working from home, so my office is in home, and my kids are also registered in online classes, so everything is from home, so the expenses part is a little high. But if you're working from outside house, then of course it will be a little less. Now there are things you have to keep in mind when you come down here. Pehli cheez, whenever you're looking for an accommodation, always make sure to negotiate that you can get all the utilities inclusive. Second cheese, the moment you land over here, you have to buy a car. That's a wise decision. Like we missed upon that. We bought this house within 2 months, like not even 2 months after landing here. That was a good decision. Like we saved a lot of money on rented accommodation. However, we delayed this car thing. That kind of little uncomfortable for sure, because car over here is not a luxury, it's necessity. Thirdly, जो भी आपके groceries हैं, just try to keep in mind that where exactly you get the good pricing. I'm going to share information in the description box. Like there are flyer system over here, unlike India. यहाँ पे the cost of one thing would varies from store to store. So the same thing would cost you a little less in one store, maybe like Walmart, Superstore, No Frills, Dollarama. So check all the outlets, little research, and always make sure you go with a list of items you want to purchase, and don't make regular trips. Try to cut down to once in a week, so that you can save a lot of money at the initial for sure. But once you settle, like we are citizen here now, we can actually think of going multiple times, but initially we also kind of plan this way. So I hope this video has helped you a little bit on understanding the life of new immigrants. So from us,
my birthday is coming, and are we going all Toys R Us, and my button sister is watching TV, and bye bye.
all right. So thank you so very much for watching our video. If you like it, just subscribe and hit the like button. Take care.